Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Branke, and today I'm going to be installing a couple of upgrades on my GMC truck with some Black Friday deals I got from Amazon. Before we get started, make sure you check out our new store for all the latest merchandise from the Garage USA, including some items that are available for a limited time. Not only do they look great, it also helps support the channel. Now back to the video. Thanks for joining me. So I picked up a couple of Black Friday deals off of Amazon, and I'm going to show you what I got. And I will be installing these in a little bit here. It is Thanksgiving, and it's cold out. We got snow the other day, but it's cold out. That's why I'm up here filming in the office. But I will install these. But let's go ahead and get started. Take a look at what I got, and then I will link this all in the description below. Alright, so the first item is from Ronin Factory, I don't know. Again, link in the description below for this. It is on sale. They've got that Black Friday special going on. This is the 50 caliber short antenna. So we'll take a look at it here. It says no cutting necessary. That is a lie. Alright, so let's open this up here. Alright, so this is the 50 caliber bullet antenna. So that's pretty freaking awesome. So I will install that. There's some other stuff in the bag too. I don't know what this stuff is. Oh, the little mounts for it. Oh, does this just go on like this? Okay. So we will put that on the truck. Looks pretty sweet. Again, this was something that is on a Black Friday special on Amazon. Next, so this is the other Black Friday deal that I bought. And this is that third brake light that mounts on the back of the cab. This is going to be a super easy install, and there should be, yep, there is. There's the rubber seal. That goes on here, so it makes a nice seal on the back of the truck. And I will be installing this today as well. Super easy to install. You got two screws that go in, and actually I think it goes this way. You got two screws that go in that hold it in. So I'll be going out to do that as well. So those are the deals that I got. But let's go ahead and get started, get these installed. I'm going to start by taking the old antenna off. So it says to install the adapter first and then put the antenna on. Alright, so we've got that on. And now I will install the antenna. Alright, so that's installed. Now I just got to do that third brake light. Alright, these are just some Phillips head screws that hold this in. Boy, this is cold. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.